learners, welcome to our videos. Today our spoken English class day 10. Today the 10th day of our spoken English class. I have selected a subject C. How to, has to and had to. It is very important in your daily life and we can make daily usage sentences with the have to, has to and had to. See, has to or have to we use in the present and had to we use in the past. See, I am going to teach you the affirmative sentence, negative sentence and question sentence. It is very important. Students, you must watch this. See, first I wrote some sentences here. Look at the sentence. How to use with the I, we, you, they and any plural. Raju and Ram, boys, girls. How to we use with the plural. बहुवचन के साथ हम लोग उपयोग करता है. बहुवचन शब्द क्या क्या है? I, we, you, they. These are plural subject. In the plural subject we use how to. See, I have to get up early. I have to get up early. मुझे सवेरे उठना है. उठना है और उठना पड़ता है. Both sentence we can use. उठना है और उठना पड़ता है. See, I have to get up early. We have to obey our teachers. हमें अपने शिक्षकों को पालन करना है. You have to study well. आपको अच्छी तरह से अध्ययन करना है. करना है और करना पड़ता है. They have to take responsibility. They have to take responsibility. उन्हें जिम्मेदारी लेनी होगी. नहीं तो लेने पड़ता है. लेना है. जिम्मेदारी लेना है. Students, it is very simple to understand. I have to go. मुझे जाना है. I have to come. मुझे आना है. मुझे आना पड़ता है. I have to take this. मुझे ये लेना पड़ता है और मुझे ये लेना है. See, in this ways we can use the how to. See, look at the sentence very clearly. It is very simple sentence to understand. You can make more and more sentence. आप लोग ज़्यादा sentence बना दीजिए. इसका negative देखिए. See how to write the negative. This is the negative. This is the negative. I do not have to get up early. मुझे सवेरे उठना नहीं है. मुझे सवेरे उठना नहीं पड़ता है. मुझे सवेरे नहीं उठना है. See, do not have the negative. I have not to take up early. Not. I do not have to get up early. See, look at here very clearly. See, do not have to get up early. This negative we can make it a do not have to get up early. We do not have to obey our teachers. हमें अपने शिक्षकों को पालन करना नहीं है. Actually, this sentence is actually wrong. We must respect our teachers, obey our teachers. But we can get some negative meaning. That's why I wrote it those. ये negative meaning मिलना है इसलिए मैंने लिखा हुआ. You do not have to study well. See, do not have to study well. They do not have to take a responsibility. See, how to make the negative subject after do not. We do not. You do not have to. They do not. In the singular, we write see the question. How can we make it a questions? These are the questions. pattern. Here, I, look here, I have to get up. I do not have to get up. Then, do I have to? See, do I, after do subject, have to get up early. क्या मुझे सवेरे उठना है और उठना पड़ता है? Do we have to obey our teachers? क्या हमें अपने शिक्षकों को पालन करना है? Do you have to study well? See, do you have to study well? Do they have to take a responsibility? In this ways, we can study in how to, and do not have to, do I have to. It is very important. Then has to, had to. See, has to, present, had to, past. Look at the sentence here. He has to get up early. He has to get up early. उसे सुबेरे उठना है और सुबेरे उठना पड़ता है. See, he has to get up early. But here, look at here, इसका negative. He does not have. See, he does not have to get up early. The question what? See the question. Does he have to get up early? क्या उसे सवेरे उठना है? Does he have to get up early? See, very important. How to make the negative and question sentence. See, he has to study. उसे अध्ययन करना है. She has to go. उसे जाना है. See, we can make many sentences. He has to take responsibility. उसको जिम्मेदारी लेना पड़ता है. He has to go. He has to come. He has to teach. He has to buy. He has to call. He has to invite. Means our responsibility. See, then he does not have to study. उसे अध्ययन करना नहीं है. Does he have to study? क्या उसे अध्ययन करना है? She does not have to go. उसे नहीं जाना है. उसे जाना नहीं है. Does she have to go? क्या उसे जाना? In this way, see, has to be used with a singular subject. He, she, it, Raju, boy, girl. Singular means one. Plural means more than one. How to be used with the plural subjects, has to be used with the singular subject. But hard to, we use all the subject. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Any subject we can use it, no problem. See here. But the meaning is different. Hard to, a past meaning. Past meaning. See, he had to get up early. उसे सवेरे उठना पड़ा. See, I had to get up early. मुझे सवेरे उठने पड़ा. She had to go. That is means of past. This is present and this is past. उठना है, उठना पड़ा. See, negative. He did not have. See, very important. The negative. He did not have to get up early. I did not have to get up early. She did not have to go. The question, did he have to get up early? क्या उसे सवेरे उठना पड़ा? Did he have to get up early? Did he have to get up early? Did I? Here, right? I. Did I have to get up early? Did she has to go? Dear students, very important. Have to, has to, had to. Has, have to, has to, present, had to, past. How can we make it a question and negative? Negative and questions. I have to go. I do not have to go. Do I have to go? Or he has to go. He does not have to go. Does he have to go? The hard. He had to get up, or he had to go. He did not have to go. Did or did he have to go? Very simple. So I think that you got some ideas about how to, has to, and had to. It is very important. Students, I request you, you make more and more sentences. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सेंटेंस आप बनाइए और आप दूसरा से इसके विषय से बात करिए. You can talk with others, has to, how to, had to. Then you will get some ideas. I can give ideas only, but you must practice it. आप जो प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे आपको इंग्लिश बोल नहीं पा सकता है. You can talk with others. See, in these ways we can use some has to, how to, and had to. यदि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा आप जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा. देन आपको दूसरा वीडियो जल्दी से जल्दी मिल जाएगा. So students, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you everybody.